Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine with Winter Special Recipe. By Lord Jagannath's mercy, we are back after a long time to look out for wonderful recipes. To begin with, let's start with a regular recipe. Green peas pulao or matar pulao. As we all desire to offer something wonderful to our Lord all the time, this quick flavorful pulao cannot be skipped. We all know that winter has begun and in this season we find fresh green peas in the market easily. Green peas or matar pulao has a freshness of peas and spices combined to give a flavorful dish. This is very tasty, quick and easy recipe. Economical too for large scale prasadam distribution. We can serve as lunch or dinner prasadam. We can also distribute as donna prasadam. So let's get started. First take 1.5 cup of basmati rice in a mixing bowl. Add water and wash it twice. After washing the rice, add water and soak it for 20 minutes. Do not soak it much. For matar pulao, take some whole spices and 2 big cardamom. Open them. This enhances the flavor of pulao. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan or kadai. Melt it. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Keep the flame low only. Add 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 cloves, 2 small cardamom and big cardamom seed. Add half teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, 1 chopped green chilli, half inch chopped ginger. Add 10 to 12 cashews. Mix and saute it until cashews turn into golden color. I have listed down all the ingredients with their measurements in the description box below. You can refer it. Cashews are ready. Add 1 cup of fresh green peas and 1 medium sized of diced potato or aloo. Mix and cook it for 1 minute on medium flame. Add soaked and drained rice. Do not add water now. Mix it gently. We have shared many rice recipes and you can find all in rice recipes playlist, which link has been shared in the description box below. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Half teaspoon of Biryani Pulao Masala or Garam Masala. Add 2.5 cup of water. Combine all this well gently. Cook it for 20 minutes on low flame or until the rice cooks. After 5 minutes, let's check. Mix it once. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix and cook it further. Keep the flame low only. It has been total 10 minutes. Mix it once, cover the lid and cook it further. It is mandatory to stir it in between. It has been total 20 minutes. Let's check. Rice and green peas have cooked well. Turn off the flame and garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. It is too hot. Do not mix it now as the rice grain will break. So cool it for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, mix it gently. Our non-sticky matar pulao or green peas pulao is ready. You can serve this matar pulao as it is or with any raita or curry. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. Srila Prabhupada says if one practices eating prasadam, even if there is some little sinful activity involved, one becomes free from the results of sinful acts. If you like bhoga offering recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga offering recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.